This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a Hong Kong style beef and tomato macaroni soup. Let's start off with the beef. I have here some beef chuck. I've put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to make it semi-frozen so that it's easier to cut it thin. When slicing the beef, look at the fibers. They run this way. You will want to cut across the grain. Cutting across the grain will give you a lot more tender slices. Marinate the beef with light soy sauce, salt, cornflour, and an egg white. We are using the egg white and cornflour velveting method here. This method does a great job in tenderizing the beef. Give your beef a good massage and make sure that all the pieces get some loving from the egg white. Set this aside for a few minutes for the beef to absorb the marinade. We do not need to marinate the beef for too long because the beef are thinly sliced. The other ingredients that we will need are macaroni, chicken stock, canned tomato puree, ketchup, and frozen mixed vegetables. Oh, and we also need some salt to boil the macaroni. Next, let's cook the macaroni. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Put in the macaroni and boil them till it's done. Now, different brands of macaroni have different cooking times, so check the instructions on your package. When the macaroni is done, remove and set it aside. In a pot, add in your chicken stock. Canned tomato puree, and ketchup. Stir them to combine. Then, bring them to a boil. When it's boiling, add in your beef. Stir the beef a little to break them up. Bring everything back to a boil. Then lower it to a simmer and simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes of simmering, add in your frozen mixed vegetables, and cooked macaroni. Bring all this back to a boil. Then turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. I'll add a little pepper to mine. And we are done. This is the classic beef and tomato macaroni soup.